Welcome to lesson number 19 of Learn Urdu through English lesson series by Ifactner.com. In this lesson, we are going to discuss the second last and last character of Urdu alphabet. How do we use them in the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word? And those characters are choti and badi. And choti is whenever we use choti at the end of the word, it pronounced like e, choti. And badi, when we use badi, then it pronounced like a. So let's see some examples. First, choti, ye. So normally we say ye, and if we want to be more specific, then we called it choti ye. Choti ye is a connector, which means that it is connected to the second character when a word is starting with it. A simple example is ya, choti ye, alif, ya. And we write it like this, ya. It is pronounced as ya, and ya means oh. Oh boy, ya ladke. When you want to call someone, then you use ya. And there's another word starting with choriye, and that is yari or yar, and it is chotiye alif re, yar, and we write it like this, yar, yar. Yar means friend, the best friend or very fast friend is called yar. And yari, chotiye alif re, chotiye. Yari means friendship, and it is pronounced as yari, and it means friendship. And let's see how do we use chotiye in the middle of the word. There is a word called deg, dal, chotiye, gaf, deg. It is written like this, deg, and it is pronounced as deg. Deg means a bowl in which we cook something. A big bowl is called deg. Then we have got another word, seb, seen, chotiye, be, seb. We write it like this, seb. It is pronounced as seb. Seb means apple. And now let's see how do we use chotiye in the end of the word. There is a word called bari, be, alif, re, chotiye. And when we conjugate it, then we have got be alif ba, re, chotiye re, bari, bari. Bari means turn. Now it's my turn. मेरी बारी है. It's my turn. There is another word, की, काफ, छोटी की. it is written like this, ki, and ki means off. Iski bari, his turn, turn of his. So ki means off. Now let's discuss badiye. We write it like this and we pronounce it badi ye. And there is no word starting with badiye, and badiye doesn't come in the middle of the word, because whenever the word there is a ye in the middle of the word, it's always the choti ye. But there are words uh, ending with badiye. So now let's explore some of those words. There is a word called bade, and it is be re ye, bade. It is pronounced as bade, and bade means older person, or older people are called bade. And now let's see, if we use be, re, choti ye, then it is badi. You see, and it is badi. It's not bade, it's badi, and badi means older woman, badi khala, older aunt. It's called badi khala. Mm. Another example is gadhe, gaf, dal, he, badiye, gadhe. It is written like this, gadhe, and it is pronounced as gadhe. Gadhe means donkeys. And if we use choti a instead of badi a, then it is pronounced as gadhi. Gav, dal, he, choti, and it is written like this. Gadhi means female donkey, then it is gadhi. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for this lesson by ifactner.com. If you would like to do some more exercises, then please visit us on ifactner.com. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye bye.